Hello guys, today I will show you how to start motor compressor without relay. So here's a triangular configuration. We have common and start and run. Common, start and run. So we have make a line here, line 1. So we take the wire from line 2 and we take a wire from line 3. Common wire, line 1, we are connected to the socket, and run line 2 terminal, we have spliced wire here and connecting to the start line, and it goes to the also socket, and I will show you how does it happening. So I make this, so we are connecting to the compressor. It's our common wire. This is a run, you see, and from the run we have spliced wire. It's here, spliced wire. When we connect this to the compressor, we are connecting the socket, and after that we are touching to the start. It should be maximum 2 seconds, not more, or we can damage the compressor. Touching 2 seconds, compressor starts, and take it away, so the compressor can work. So we can check the compressor without relay to see what exactly wrong with the compressor. And in the last I will show you how I did it.